my beautiful people, welcome to my channel Beauty by Tim. Today we are going to do a video on how to make a waist chain. We only need 4 materials to use, which the first one is going to be, of course, our beads. I've got 2 sizes of beads here. I've got a size 1 seed bead and a size 3 seed bead, and I'll be using 0.25 mm fishing line, our quarter, and of course our hook. So my lovely people, relax it and enjoy this video. Thank you all for always coming to watch me. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you my old subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always coming back to watch me. And if you like my video, kindly give a lovely comment and a like, and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, actually picking the beads by itself, it's a little bit slowed down, so I had to like use needle so that it will be fast for me to pick, so I can finish it within few minutes. So all I'm doing here is using my needle to pick some beads to make it faster. As you can see, it's really fast. When you use needle, it makes it really easier and faster for you than when you use your hand to pick them one after the other. That's going to slow you down.
Just know how it feels.
So my lovely people, now I have my desired length. Let's quickly attach the hook. Okay, all we have to do now is attach the hook.
Fake to me now. I want